AZTR stock. Is this the first time? Is this the right time to buy? I'm going to cover everything around this in this 1 minute video, so watch till the end. And just observing Azitra incorporated stock, I do notice there's like 26% now, which is a lot, but even the hard time from chart is not the best. Today it had its run for sure. Even like last time I made a video when the price was like up, whatnot, I said like I'm looking to take the lows out. Not that I was gonna trade it, because that's not an environment that I like to trade, just because like it's just my directional bias. Here is the same thing. I mean, I'm sticking to my strategy that I've definitely refined over 35,000 videos that I've done over the last 4 years. Like all the videos have been documented. I'm not even just going to draw the lows, because you can see post-market and where it is. 31 cents now. Pre-market obviously plays a role in hand. But for me, just a bearish market now. And there's nothing else that I would add. I mean, for me to be bullish, it must break with a full candle close above 63 cents. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.